Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the English language, one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and today's word is accept. Accept is a conjunction, and it's a really useful one. It basically means not including. We use it to make exceptions, to say that something is true for everyone or everything, but there's a small group it doesn't apply to. So, accept means not including, excluding, or but. Now, let's delve a little deeper. We use accept to introduce the part that is not included in the general statement. For example, I like all fruits except bananas. This means I enjoy eating all fruits, but bananas are an exception. I don't like them. It's a common and easy way to create an exclusion in a sentence. Think of it as drawing a circle around a group of things and then saying, okay, everything inside the circle is included, but not this one over here, which is accepted. It's a very precise way to make your meaning clear. Let's look at some synonyms. A synonym for accept is excluding. We could say, the price is valid for all items, excluding sale items. Another synonym is apart from. For example, everyone was happy apart from John. Then there's but. I would go to the party, but I have to work. Notice how but works similarly, setting something aside. Save can also be used as a synonym. Everyone agreed to the proposal, save for Mary. So, excluding, apart from, but, and save can often be used in place of accept, although the exact nuance may vary a little. Now, let's look at antonyms. Antonyms are words with the opposite meaning. So, what's the opposite of excluding something? It's including it. So, including is an antonym of accept. The fee is $50, including taxes. Another antonym is plus. Plus indicates that something is being added, not taken away. You'll need a pen, plus your notebook. Also, the word with acts as an antonym. For example, she ordered coffee with milk. These antonyms highlight the fundamental difference in meaning. Accept takes something away, while including, plus, and with add something. Let's look at some examples of how accept is used in everyday life. You might hear someone say, I eat everything except spicy food. Or, all flights are on time except the 6 p.m. flight to London. At a restaurant, you might hear, we are open every day except Sundays. These examples show how frequently accept is used to clarify rules, preferences, or schedules. It's a very practical word. Another common expression is except for. For example, except for the weather, the trip was perfect. Or, except for few minor problems, the project was a success. These phrases are incredibly useful in daily conversations. Let's explore some more sentence and phrase examples. She knows all the answers except number 5. The store sells everything except shoes. Except when it rains. We always walk to school. Except for him, everyone finished the race. Except for the noise, the apartment is lovely. Notice how except always introduces the exception to the rule, the thing that doesn't fit in. We can also say, I would never do that, except maybe if I was really desperate. This adds a sense of possibility, a very slim possibility, that the speaker might consider the action under extreme circumstances. Or, he didn't tell anyone about his secret, except his best friend. This tells us that the secret was kept well, but there was one person who was trusted. Learning how to use accept correctly will really improve your English fluency and precision. Now, to summarize, accept is a conjunction meaning not including. Its synonyms include excluding, apart from, but, and save. Antonyms include including, plus, and with. We use accept to make exceptions and to clarify that something is true for almost everything, but not quite. Remember, it's a very common and useful word in everyday conversations. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful. If you did, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show and learn English. And now, for a fun challenge, can you create your own sentence using the word accept? Share it as a comment below the video. I look forward to reading your creative examples. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next episode.